Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about split function of string class. Split function is used when we want to split a string. Okay, when we use split function, when we want to split a string. Like I have a string, I have two cars. This is the string that I have. I want to split this into words. This is a sentence and I want to extract each and every word. So in such cases what we can do? We can split, and here we have to split on the basis of space, because space is the character which is dividing the words. Okay, so how to use split? Suppose this is a string and this string is stored in string sen. Okay, so how to use split function? You have to write first the string on which you want to apply the split function. So I want to apply the string function on sen string dot split. Here in double quotes you have to specify on which character or string base you want to split. So here which is the character splitting the words? Space. So what we need to do, we have to write here in double quotes space. Okay, so this space will split this string. Okay, if any other character or any other string you want to take, you can write here. So if I take here 2 TWO, so this string will split on the basis of TWO. It means this will be the first string and this space up to S will be the second string. But if we write here space, so it will split. First string will be I, second will be have, third will be 2 and fourth will be cars. Okay students, so this function will return us a string type array. So we have to store the output of this function in string type array. Okay, so after splitting this string, this function will store the result in the array WRD, which is of string type. So which word or which string will be in WRD 0? WRD 0, 1, 2, 3. So WRD 0 will be I have 2 cars. Okay, so automatically it will take these strings. Okay, so if I print WRD, if I print system.out.println WRD dot length, it will print what? 4. Okay students, because here how many words are there? 4. So the length of the string, length of the array will be 4. Okay, now let us take an example. Let us understand this split function with the help of an example. The question is, suppose input string is I love Java. and I want to print, the output should be Java love I. So this is my program, that whatever be the string I inserted or whatever be the sentence I have given, the sentence will print in reverse order. So this is my question I want to do. If the input is this, I want to print the output this. Okay students, what is happening here? The last word will be print first, then the second last word, like this we have to print all the words. So in this program what we have to do? First we have to take an input from user, then we have to split this, and just we need to print the array. After splitting we have to print the array in reverse order. See how we will do. Suppose the input I have taken in string sc dot next line. I have taken input in s using the next line function. Okay, now split this string as string, let us take sen wrd is equal to sen dot split. So here I will split the string on the basis of space. So in double quotes I leave one space. Okay, so now the string is splitted and it is stored in wrd function. Now what we have to do is we have to run a for loop. We have to print the last word first, and last word will be in wrd dot length minus 1. The last word will be in wrd dot length minus 1. So first let us store the length, int len, length of this array is equal to wrd dot length. Okay, now run the loop. For int I is equal to 0, I, okay, see we have to print last word first. So what we have to do, we have to run the loop from word dot length minus 1. No need to put here parenthesis. Okay, so int I is equal to L length minus 1. I will goes up to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, system dot out dot print. Don't write println, wrd I plus space. Close the for loop and close your other things. Okay, now understand this. So this is my sentence. In word 0 will be I, word 1 will be love, and word 2 will be Java. Okay, when we use the length property of word array, it will give us length of the word, which is 3. In this case, which is 3. Whatever the sentence will put, it will take according to that sentence. So in len, what is the value stored in this case? 3. Okay. Now I run a loop from length minus 1. Length minus 1 means 2. This loop will run 2, then 1, and then for 0. This loop will run for 2, 1 and 0. And when the loop runs first time, it print word 0, I is 2. Okay, so first it will print word 2. Word 2 is what? Java. Then the value of I will decrease by 1 and it will be 1. So then it will print word 1, leaving a space. Word 1 is love and then word 0 is I. Okay, so like this it will print. Okay students, so this is the very basic concept that you must know. So if you have any other doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you. Jai Hind.